Hello students, today we are going to see about the centrifugal separator. It is one of the separating equipment which will separate the solid, liquid and the gases, which was mostly used in the food industry for separating the solids from the fluid material. The apparent force that is felt by an object moved in a curved path that acts outwardly away from the center of or rotation. That is the centrifugal force which acts from the center of the equipment to the outer portion in a curved path. It is in a circular motion which acts along the radius which from the center to the outward section. The SI unit of the force is the Newton or kilogram per meter second. Then where we are see about in the water treatment plant, that is in the drinking water treatment plant, the water is occur in the form of the impure form, that is the mixture of the debris, sand and the water. And we can use this centrifugal separator to separate the water and the sand. And also the water get mixed in the oil and chemicals, as in the case of the industrial processing, that is in the any industry we are using the water as a major source. In that also the water is get polluted by means of oils and the chemicals. So every industrial plant is investing in the wastewater processing system, and by means of the centrifugal separator we can remove the grease, chemicals and other impurities before releasing into the local water bodies. And centrifugal separator are the most popular one, and these filters are used to remove suspended solids and the other impurities in the water. This is one of the diagram. We can see the simple diagram. In that we can see the sandy water get uh, uh, sandy water is get into the centrifugal separator. By means of the centrifugal action you can see the sands are separated to the outward portion and the clean water we gets in the upward direction. After the centrifugal action force, the sand particles deposited in the outward of the equipment get detached from the system, and we get the sand purge in the downward section. This is the whole operation of the centrifugal separator. We can see the construction of the centrifugal separator consisting of the feed pipe, where the inlet, it is one of the inlet section, and a rotor and a drive mechanism for creating the centrifugal force inside the chamber, and the separation chamber and the outlet pipe, and also the control panel. As you know that the feed pipe is used for the inlet section, we can in feed can be as a liquid solid suspension or liquid or solid or gas liquid mixture into the separator. And the rotor which produces the high centrifugal force by means of the spinning action, and the rotor is located in the central portion of the separator, and it is spinning at the high speed of the centrifugation. And drive mechanism, this may be a gas engine, motor or any other power source which helps to run the rotor mechanism. And a bowl made up of the composite or metal holds the materials to be separated. Then scraper, some materials are left in the separating chamber which can be removed using the scraper, and control panel is used for controlling the whole section process. And it contains no filter when compared to the other filter. It contains no filter consisting of the inlet, outlet and the separator. And the separator solids are collected at the bottom of the separator, and it can be removed from the downward section. Then water is one of the denser liquids, so it flows outside and removed through the discharged outlet. Low density fluids such as oil will remain at the center of the vortex, and segregated oil can be easily recovered from the suction orifice of the separator. It can be used in the breweries, animal feed manufacturing, pharmaceutical industry, etc. And the main advantages of the centrifugal separator is the high efficiency, minimal liquid loss, and that is a minimum time and maintenance free. Thank you.